I will discuss these formula also in our live class, but right now you can get idea about the formulas. Third point we have all of you. Third point, tan theta. If you have tan theta equal to tan alpha, so what will be the formula? What will be the formula all of you? Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. If then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha will be the solution for all n belongs to I. For all n belongs to I, all of you. For all n belongs to I. Now, if we have tan theta is equal to 0, if tan theta is equal to 0, so you know that this is the value of tan 0. So in this case theta is equal to n pi, because this term will be minus, so this first term will come here. For all n belongs to I, n belongs to I. Now these are the formula of all ratios. Sometimes formula is given like this. Formula is given like this: sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. So which formula is used? Which formula is used in this case? Which formula is used? Also, if you have given cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, and you have given tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, so then formula is same for these all. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha for n belongs to I. When the terms are in square, so this formula will be used for all. This formula will use for sin cos tan for all. So these are the formula for trigonometric equations. Now all of you, we discuss almost all the formula of trigonometry. Only two formulas left behind. I am talking about it. Basic formulae we have here. If in triangle ABC, let you have a triangle here, all of you, let you have a triangle, you have a triangle ABC here. Now what is the relation? And these are the side. This is side A, this is side B, this is side C. Opposite vertex C, there will be side C. Yeah. So law of sines, there are law of sine, law of sines. Sines means sin theta. So A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C. Then in this case you can use this relation. You can use this relation, all of you. Law of cosines. So what is the law? It will be cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. If you want to find cos B, so what will come? A square plus C square minus B square. Which angle we are finding? That side will be subtract. So these are the formulas which is used in our next exercise, and I discuss all the formula of trigonometry in my lectures. So learn this formula by heart. That's all for today. Thank you very much.